slime fans. So it's next day, and I'm going to be trying 3 products. So 3 different products for my slime. Not products, whatever. I don't know. So I'll be using this, and this. So guys, I named it. So this is Tide. This is Game. This is Extra. So basically, all 3 of these I'm going to pick is slime. Oh, that's from yesterday. So this is just glue stick. Not glue stick, glue and a stick. I'm gonna use this. I usually use this, but yeah, so I'm gonna use scissors. This one's messier to make, so don't use this one. It's messier to make. It looks exactly like this one. Looks exactly like that one. Kind of different. This has a little different tone. I'm gonna clean this up and be back. So I'll clean this up, and yeah, basically, let's get the next one. It looks exactly like that. Look. So, yeah, just put it aside. Now, Gain. This one is so nice. I like the Gain one the most because it kneaded out fast and it didn't get sticky all over my hands. Not that sticky, but the other one. So first we're going to try the Gain. So much better, so good on its inside. This is the Gain. This one. So sticky. Get this out of the way. I like this one. I'm gonna color it a different color. I'll be back. Oh, got the stuff back on it. So we're going to make, what color should I do? Red? Orange or brown? I think red. Wait. Got it out. Okay. Kidding me. This is coloring. Wow, this is Valentine's Day. I didn't make a video in 3 months because I had to get my channel back because I forgot the password for it, so I had to remember it, and I finally remembered it, so this one. Oh, this is the Gain slime. This one. Gain or Gain? I don't know. This is the slime. Let's see how stretchy it is. It's a lot stretchy. Wait, I'll be back. I gotta turn this TV off. So let's do the poke test. Wait. That's a loud click. Now we're going to the Tide one. The Gain one. I'm going to put the color on it. And I'm going to put the name on it. This is the Tide one. Oh, I don't like Tide one. Ugh. Tide one is crap. Wait. I'm going to add more of this in it to make it more, a little more sticky. Wait, I'm gonna try it. So that's more glue to make it sticky. Wait, put it back. So this is the where's the wrong one? Wait, this is the Tide one. Yeah, this is the Tide. I don't like this one. Look at this. It's not that stretchy as I expect. It's like very weird. Okay, I'm gonna color it. This color. Orange. I'm gonna make it the color. Get the color off of it. Oh god, I just get that in there. Get the color off the thing. Because this thing costs $20,000. I'm kidding, going $20 an hour. I kid too much. So, add more to make it. Oh god, I made it popular. I like that. She said, whatever. Like very not. What's it called? Orangey. Because I keep adding it until it's like orange I expect. This is the orange we made. Wait, I'll turn the camera around. Orange is so ugly. Oops, nice colors. This is the Tide one. The Tide one is horrible. It's not my shirt, it's not my shirt. So open the blinds, because it's so dark in here. So this is the Tide one is kind of twitchy now. It's starting to turn chilly. I think because I put that stuff. Let's make the Coke stacks. Wait. I like this so much. So we'll do the last one is extra Tide. This next one. So we got the extra one right here. Oh, I like this much. This one. Oh god, I'm gonna mix the colors. I gotta wash my hands, I'll be back. Got it on my hands. I forgot to record it. It will come out. Got it out. Okay. Dang, ew. It's an ugly color. I'm not being racist either. This is But I can't be racist. I haven't done one. I am black, so mixed. So I'm like light skin. I like this sign. Okay, I'm gonna get this out of the way. Get everything out the way, so. On camera, it looks like lighter, but in full version view, it looks dark. Looks like this. This is blue. It's not blue. Let's say brown. This is brown. Okay, be quiet. Wait. Okay, this is this kind. This one is stretchy. It's like a nice caramel color. Right, I'll get the camera in a different position. See how caramel color is. Kind of. Caramel. So sticky. This is orange slime. Call it carrot slime. Brown slime. You can call it. You can call it chocolate slime. Wait, ice cream. This one, you can call it. This could be ice cream. Oh my god, turn it down. Pink shirt. Oh, sticky. Pink. Oh, Jonathan came over. Jonathan came over. No, so she could have. Because if she said that Eno's here, she can say over. She come over. Because Mom doesn't trust us home alone. So Jana. She didn't want something bad. What do you mean? Why would all of a sudden something bad around here? I don't know. I can do bad all by yourself. True. Colin. No, because you, Colin, when John was over, you do something. What's something bad? Oh, oh yeah, I put the, yeah, I put a biscuit. I remember even Mom didn't know who it was.